Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another DB2 SQL function, which is day of week. So in our previous session, we discussed about day function, month function, year function. In the same manner, we have one more function, which is day of week. So what exactly it will do? It will fetch out the day of the date. Okay, in terms of Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it will let you know like what exactly the day on that particular day. Okay, so how we can use that? So to use that, I have already created one program. I will firstly walk you through that program, and then we'll discuss how we can use the same over the DB2 SQL query. So here in SQLRPGLE program, first of all, what we are doing, we are declaring the constant variable SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros, and then this variable we are going to use to verify whether the query is executed properly or not. And below to this, we are declaring one more variable, result variable of zone decimal type, and this variable is going to store the output written by the day of week function. Okay, then we are setting the commitment control equals to star none, and this is, as I informed you many times earlier also, this is an optional. If you are not doing any modification, in that case you can skip this, otherwise you can keep this. Okay, now here we are using the main query. So to use the query, I am using exec SQL, which is execute SQL select day of week from current timestamp. So this is the current timestamp. From this it will fetch the day of week, and then it will be stored into the host variable result, which is started from the colon. Okay, and from where the data is coming? Data is coming from sys ibm dot system1. Okay, so it will fetch the day of week and store it into the host variable result. Now below to this, what we are doing? We are doing the query verification. So if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then it means the query is executed properly. So in that case, we are just printing the result. Else, if it is not the condition, then we are printing the SQL state, because this will help us to identify or to track the error. And we are also generating one message, query ended with an error, and if INLR on. Okay, so let me compile this program. I'm calling this, so it is returning 6. Okay, so what is the meaning of 6? It means Friday. Okay, let me show you one thing. Yeah, I will open this. Here you can see, so this is how it will indicate the values. For Sunday it is 1, for Monday it is 2, for Tuesday it is 3, for Wednesday it is 4, and Thursday is 5, and it is 6, and Saturday is 7. Okay, so if you check the current date, in my case, like the date is wrong, it is indicating wrong date, but today is 8th of Friday. Okay, so if I call this program, you can see it is returning 6, but as I told you that in my system the date has been changed, so that's why it is showing 7 date, but actual date is 8. So when you try it on your own system, you will see that it is showing the current date. Example means current date with a correct day. So today is 8th, that's why it is returning 6, which is on Friday. Okay, so let me show you one more thing, like how we can use the same thing over the DB2 SQL query. So for that, you can simply use this kind of query. Here what we are doing, we are calculating day of week from current date column, and also printing the current date from Sharmit 1 slash table 1. So if I hit enter, you can see here 8 is the current date, so it is returning Friday, because on 8th of September the day is Friday. Okay, now if I show you another example where I'm using this over the timestamp, so you can see this time it is printing again 6, but the date is 1st of September. So if you check the calendar, here you can see 1st of September also lies on Friday. it's a coincidence, like both the date are on Friday, but you can check with some other date and it will give you the exact day, not always it is returning Friday. Okay, make it clear. And as I told you, it just starts from Sunday till Saturday and starts from 1 to 7. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can utilize day of week function, and it is very useful function. Let's say if you are writing some code where you are going to decide the things based on the day, then in that case you can use this function in order to decide your logic. Okay, so yeah, I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.